Okay, is a 10th class, that is a trigonometry, is a chapter name is a trigonometry. So what is the trigonometry? Trigonometry. Actually trigonometry means it is a Greek word. It is a Greek word. So the Greek word, what is that? That is a trigon means what is, it is a triangle, and then metry means is an metron, is an measure. So what is the measure? Triangle measures. So it is a triangle, it is a measure. So what is that? This is a triangle. See, triangle A, B, C is there. So this is what AB and BC and AC are the sides. See, what is the angle? Angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the angles. See, we are mostly talk about that is an triangle, sides and as well as the sides. So what is the use of this trigonometry? Only is the toughest part, that is you can find the side or angles, so which was the given 2 or 3. So what is that? Suppose if you want to know that AB and then that is an pi, the Pythagoras theorem is there. The Pythagoras theorem is there. So what is the Pythagoras theorem means? So this is an right angle. In the right angle B is a rectangle, means it is a 90 degree. And then what is the angle of A and the angle of C what? So what is AB, BC and AC is there, the sides. Suppose you should give that any two sides, you should find for the third sides. So that is the one of the major part. So what is the formula for Pythagoras theorem? Is a hypotenuse square equal to, the hypotenuse square equal to is a perpendicular side whole square plus base square. See, hypotenuse square means what is that? A square and then BC square plus AB square. So this is the one. See now, see, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is the formula. See, for example, this is a AC equal to 5 centimeter and BC equal to only, that is a 3 centimeters. See, what is the value of AB? See, AC square equal to is a 5 square, BC square equal to is a 3 square, and then remaining what is the value of AB square? See, actually AB, this is a 5 square means it is a 25 is equal to 9 plus AB square. See, that is AB square equal to 25, 9 is a 16. So AB square equal to 16, AB equal to square root of 16, that is value is equal to 4. Now AB equal to, that is a 4. So this is, see, most probably the Pythagoras theorem used for only is an acute angles. So this is a simple thing. Okay, and next we will go for that trigonometry ratios. So what is the trigonometry ratios? The ratios means actually this is a triangle, that is this is an right angle A, B and C. See, angle A and as well as C are acute angle. A and C or acute angles. Yes. See, it is an acute angle means we can use for this right. B also is a right angled triangle. So it is an can use for the Pythagoras theorems. See, for example, one thing. Suppose you can put a theta. The angle BAC. BAC means, so that is a theta. See, theta means what? The trigonometry ratios means we can make it as a sin theta and cos theta and tan theta and cosecant theta and secant theta and cot theta also. So what is the value of is a sin theta? See, how can you find that sin theta? Sin theta means is a perpendicular side divided by the hypotenuse, is a perpendicular side by it is an hypotenuse. See, the perpendicular side means what? That is a BC by that is a AC. So it is a sin theta. See, what is the cos theta value? Cos theta equal to base. This is the base. This is the base. So base into base by is a hypotenuse. So that is a base equal to that is a AB and then hypotenuse equal to AC. Now what is the tan theta? See, the tan theta means is a perpendicular. Actually what is that? Sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta means what is that? Sin theta value is perpendicular by hypotenuse divided by that is a base by hypotenuse. So that is what is a perpendicular side by it is a base. So the perpendicular means that is a BC, base means that is a AB. So this is the tan theta. See, now sin theta is there. So what is the cosec theta? Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. So that is a 1 by sin theta means we can take a reciprocal. What is that? AC by and then that value is equal to BC. See, is a sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta? So cos theta means reciprocally. So already what is that? AB by AC, that is a AC by and then AB. See, now cot theta. Cot theta equal to what? Is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta means what? Reciprocally that value is equal to BC by AB. It is a reciprocal AB by that is a BC. Right. So these are the ratios. That is a simple thing. See, actually what is that next? If AB equal to 5 centimeter and BC equal to 4 centimeter, what is the value of that is the AC? See, what is that? This is a triangles. Is a simple. So that is a AB value, A, B, that is a C. AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter. What is the value of AC? AC, see the hypotenuse is there and then perpendicular side is there. So that is also base is there. Simply what is the AC? AC means square root of hypotenuse square. So that is a AB square minus it is a BC square. So that is what it is a 5 square minus 4 square. So that is what? 25 minus 16. So that is a 9. That is 3. It is a 3. That is a simple things. This is a very easy. That is a Pythagoras theorem we can use for that. See, and one more part. For your questions, see what you should be keep in your mind, that is a note. Sin theta and cos theta and tan theta are the trigonometry ratios are there. So this is a meaning sin of theta, it is not for sin into theta. So that is, so this is what sin of theta, this is a sin into theta means it's wrong. It is not a product, it is a sin of theta, that you keep in mind. See, whenever you are going to do that, the Pythagoras theorem, the angle one is a 90 degree, is a perpendicular one, and the next one remaining two angles are, that is an acute angles. So this is the first thing. See, sin of theta, cos theta means it is not a product. So it is a sign of value. And the second thing, it is a one angle should be an perpendicular and the other two angles are, that is an acute angles. So that is acute angles, that is a less than 90s. Okay? Okay. See, now we should go for the one theorems. See, the trigonometry theorem, the trigonometry ratio are same for the trigonometry ratio are the same for the same angles. See, actually what is that? This is an point. So we can start the ray. So this is a that is a eccentric. So the ray, so there is an initial size. So just it is rotated to anti-clockwise direction. So we should make an angle. So that is a theta. And then this is the initial side and AY, it is a terminal size. So it make an angle theta. So now we should make a perpendicular line on, that is a ray AX. So that is what you draw the line. So this is a 90 degree. So this is a M, this is a P. And then again we can make a one more perpendicular line, that is a Q and then N, right? See, what is that? The ray is there, AX is a ray, that is the initial ray, just it is rotated to anti-clockwise direction, we make angles. So that is a terminal size, that is a AY. See, now we can draw the perpendicular line for AX, is a point P, just you draw the line, this is a 90 degree one. So now the ray AX is perpendicular to, that is a PM. Next one, another line, that is a QN, this is also perpendicular to, that is AX, right? Now what is that? The trigonometry ratios are the same for the same angles. Now what is that? In triangle, there are two triangles is there. AMP is a one triangle. Triangle AMP is a one triangle. ANQ is an another triangle. These two triangles are, it is a concurrent. There is some concurrency is there. Okay. So now what is that? So that is what is that? See, AMP and angle ANQ is a 90 degree, right? So now what is that this now? And similarly, see, sides are equal. See, this is the sides are equal. These sides are also equal. These are the sides are concurrency is there. So now what? By AA criterion triangle, that is an angle, this is the angle, this is also same angle, this is also angle. So this is an AAA criterion. So we can write AP is divided on AQ equal to AN divided by AN and PM to, that is a QN, right? So that is what is that? See, AP by AQ equal to AM by AN equal to PM by, that is a QN. See, now AP by AQ equal to PM by, that is a QN, is one part. Another part, what is that? QN, another part, just you change that, QN equal to AQ equal to PM by, that is a AP. See, now angle of theta, what is that? Is the angle of sin theta, what is that? Sin theta equal to what is that? This is the theta, is a perpendicular line is a PM by hypotenuse equal to, that is a AP. Now that is what is sin theta equal to PM by AP equal to AP, this is a sin theta. And the next one, what is that? This is the first triangle. Is the next triangle, what is that? Sin theta equal to opposite side, that is a QN, that is a QN by, that is what is that? The QN by AQ. See, now what is that? QN by AQ equal to PM by AP equal to sin theta. Now we conclude the proof. The trigonometry ratios are same for the same angles. See, this is also same, this is also the same, everything is the same. So we can conclude that the trigonometry ratio are same for the, is the same angles, is the same angle. That's okay. See, now find the values of, find the values of other trigonometry ratios, other trigonometry ratios. See, what is that given? Sin A value is equal to 2 by 3. Yes, angle. See, this is the triangle. This is a 90 degree. This is the angle A, B and C. See, now angle A equal to 2 by 3 is given. Actually, what is the sine A means is a perpendicular part by it is a hypotenuse. The perpendicular equal to, that is a 2, the hypotenuse equal to, that is a 3. So that is a here hypotenuse, AC is a hypotenuse. So this is a 3. Perpendicular line equal to, that is a 2. Now we want to find the AB value. So AB value simply you can write. What is that? Square root of hypotenuse square AC square minus BC square. So AC square, what is that? It is a 3 square. This is what? That is a 2 square. BC equal to 2 square. So that is a square root of 9 minus 4. So that is a square root of 5. So this is value is equal to 5. Now we can easily find that in the remaining ratios is a sine is there. Next, what is the cos A? Cos A means is